How to download and install the zip files on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can download and install the zip file on Android. Now, downloading it is easy. You might have downloaded the zip file that you are trying to download the game, and it is a zip file, and now you don't know how to extract it, or you don't know how you can install it. Then well, it's easy. First things first, you'll have to go ahead and unzip the file. You can use various apps, like you can use Jet Archiver. It's easy to use, so you can simply download Jet Archiver, or there are other apps available as well. So you can go ahead. Now I'll recommend this. So I've been using this previously. You can simply go ahead and download Jet Archiver, open it up, grant it your storage access. Now every files on your phone will show up like it is a file storage, right? So you want to head into the particular folder that you downloaded the zip file on. Like suppose you'll get an interface like this. You want to go ahead into the folder that you downloaded the zip file on, and after that you want to tap on that particular file, the zip file, and you'll get the option to extract. You'll get view, you'll get extract here, you'll get extract to, you can extract. So simply tap on extract here and it'll get extracted to the current folder that you are on. And once you're extracted, you can go ahead and you can simply tap on the particular file that you wish to install, and you can install it, or in or anyways you'll be able to view your zip file, so it'll be in zip. So this way you can install the zip file on Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.